Right. This is founder and CEO of Buildfinity. Buildfinity is a e-commerce marketplace for all your construction needs. If you are building an building, or else you are an interior designer, or architect, or civil engineer, or who are all interested in building and construction field, this is for you. And then in this our platform, you can buy anything, any material, any construction materials in with a very competitive price, and then no need to go for multiple shops and then here and there. And then you, with single click, you can order from your nearby shops. And then if you have any doubts in the materials, and then you can directly see the price list, and then go to the shop, and then you can directly order from them. Takeaway is there, and then you can touch and feel the materials in the shop, and then you can order in our mobile app. We are available in Play Store as well as the iOS app, and then iOS platform. And then we are able to in the further projections we have is like we will onboard all your construction. Let us assume if you are building if you want to build an home or a home construction, what you are going to do first, you will check the nearby engineer, where is my engineer is there. And then you will compare the one engineers to another engineer, and then you will ask to your nearby friends and all. And then in our platform, what you can see is you can see the nearby engineers and then their works, what are the construction is going on, their reference images are as well as their working locations. And then you can directly go and visit their location, and then you can ask for their feedback, and then from the existing customers. And then you can hire them in genuine way. You no need to false commitment and all. In our construction industry, there is a bigger problem will be trust, time and the money. If you are what we are solving is the one, number one will be trust, and then second will be time, and then third one will be like money. And then after that you can hire them, and then you can let's see their works, and then you can take a decide. And then let us assume you are a interior designer. And then what you can do is, in interior designers, what will happen, there is a new site. If you take on a project in the new location, what you do at starting, you will see the material nearby. At starting, you will put in the your old vendor, and then after that, if you need any small materials means, what you will do, you will check the nearby vendors. Overall vendors will be there. You directly go to there, and then you ask for the price of the particular item. Let us assume Fevicol. The 50 kg Fevicol, currently the trading is 12,000 rupees, and then if you're getting the regular vendor, it will be charging 10,000 rupees. And then in the nearby stores, you will compare the prices. Let us say someone, the shop will tell 11,000, 12,000, 13,000, like that. And then with our Buildfinity platform, you can directly compare the nearby vendor price, and then you no need to go to the shop and all. You can directly order from the vendor. That is a one advantage. And then another the advantage will be, we are going to introduce a buy now pay later option. In our industry, what will happen is, like, payments will be in the credit based system, where we are projected for an like a buy now pay later option. And then that is a one bigger advantage. Another one will be time saving. No need to call to the shop multiple times, and then where is my order, and then whether it is coming or not. And then he will give you a auto guy number, and then you call to the auto guy number, and then where is my materials not at came. And then in the site, what will happen, sometimes the labors also sit idle, and then they will pressure on you. And then if the one single side, the single person able to handle one to two side, that's it. And then if you're using in our platform, you can save the time, energy, money. And then you can tell the customer for genuine, and then genuine timeline, this is much is the material is coming, and then you can directly share the links. And then customer is also happy, the worker is also happy, and then you are also is happy. And then another thing will be, we are going to introducing a like a labor. You can hire a labor in our platform. This is not yet introduced. And then in further stage, we are going to introduce the labors also. And then what like if you need any let us assume you need a single carpenter and then single helper for the winter for single day. What we are planning is like if you need a like in every category, let us in case electrical, plumber, and then pop, and then in so many categories is in our industry. The electrician work will be later if you are doing in the wall paneling work, it will take only half an hour to 1 hour work will be there for the electrician. He will not able to like come to the site, and then he will tell 1 hour work is there, we will not come, I will not come, and then I'll come tomorrow. And then for that simple 1 hour work, the entire 1 to 2 days of fold will be happens for the carpenters. For the this problem, what we are planning is you can hire a electrician for 1 hour, and then overall electrician will be there in the nearby surrounding. He will come and attend the like a problem, and then he will attend the work. And then if you need any work for, let's say mason, if you want to build a 10 feet wall, it will take 1 week of time, the construction as well as the plaster. And then if for the overall masons will be working in the nearby area, for he will be available for 1 week. It will show for I will be available for 1 week. You can select the like a timeline you need, and for the square feet you need for 1 hour, or you need for 1 week of time, or you need a entire project for those kind of one. And then you can see their works. And then there are in our industry for the worker will be a major headache. And then for this one what we are planning is you can for let me take 100 worker. In that 100 worker only that 70% will be a non-genuine, and then if only 30% workers will be genuine. And then if they tell tomorrow I'll come, means they will come. And then in 70% of the cases what will happen is they will misguide, and then they will not pick up the call, and then it will be more headache for the owner as well as the interior designers. For these many problems will be there, and then we are solving the one by one. We are in the first stage of the our journey. In that journey we will be providing the best quality of best price, and then nearby vendors, no need to go to the shop, and then you can directly in this online era 10 minutes delivery, we will deliver our materials in within 30 minutes. And then so that you can directly order from our platform. And then what is the benefits, why you want to download the Buildfinity compared to others? Wow. I'm a civil engineer background, as well as my childhood also I came from the civil field. And then I know the how the labor's mindset will be there, how the like our construction industry will build. I have a very depth knowledge in our industry. And then I am a failed like I learned so much in the study, like I'm an interior designer, and then we have our own firm. And then I learned so much from them, from the our previous company. So that's for I also face the same issues. The for this problem I am building a Buildfinity platform app. And then this is the one. And then further also what we are planning is we are going to build a dark stores. Like dark stores will be what are the like a major like in the data. Once we collect the data, what we are going to do is we will set up a dark store nearby, like let us assume on 10 kilometer of radius. And then what are the major movements, materials will be there, what is the demand and supply will be there, what are the materials will have low supply, those kinds of materials we will store, and then we will onboard, we will deliver with our own dark store systems. And then as well as we will in the long term journey we are planning for the private labeling in our branding only. We will going to set up the like hinges as well as the like channels, plywood, and all. We are going to do it in our own brand, own private labeling brand. And then like this is our like future projections, and then what I assume. And then like yeah, that's it.